You already have a history with the art groups of the Hungarian Radio. How does it started?
Well, that was a strong first experience, very short, in the sense that it was 1 week work. When we did in Easter 2018, we did a concert in Mypa with all of my oratorios. I mean, it was a full kora program, which was very daring from the part of the orchestra, from the part of Mypa, because it's not easy to sell to the public the new music, new compositions. And if those compositions come from somebody who is known as a tenor, then you are at least suspicious, if you know what I mean. It was a huge success that night, a success that I am very proud to acknowledge. And so it was very strong, and that was what marked what we're doing today.
Is the Hungarian audience a good audience to work with or to work for?
An applause is an applause everywhere, but an applause here is not an applause, it's like a slap on your face. It's like a bomb. It's not just wow, it's wow, you know. It's like, what the hell? And that is true, and I have, as you know, and it's obvious, I have received applauses all over the world. And sometimes great ovations, and sometimes boos, of course. That's the life of an artist. But here is not an applause. It's like a physical experience. You know, it's a slap on your face.
What does a world-class star like you taking under consideration before he gets into a contract or a cooperation like this?
I just don't buy a great sound without a great emotional commitment on it. I mean, to do music like that, I stay home and I plug my computer. I mean, the human factor, it's important because it's human. If not, it's not important, it's not necessary. So I'm asking from my people the best they can give me that night, and not just another concert like another visit to the doctor or something like that. So if I can have that, everything else can be fixed. Everybody can beat 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an acquired technique. You can do it, he can do it. But to bring people emotionally inside your 1, 2, 3, 4, that's another thing. But a collaboration that is born on an intense human contact, not only musical, but human, with that strong thing. And it's simply because not only because it was a nice concert, but it was a concert with my music. And that was an extra thing in the emotional human part of the equation. Seeing this group of 200 people trying their best, giving their heart to perform my music, not Schoenberg, Kodai, Beethoven or Verdi. My music, that for me was extremely touching, was very strong. It's like if you see somebody being nice with kids and somebody being nice with your kids. You develop immediately a bond to that person, because that if your kid loves that person, that means you can love that person too. It's a very strange human chemistry. So we are born in that way, which means that everything can be great in the future, but it means also that me as the leader of these things that starts now have to be especially careful in handling every time the situation, so that this starting ingredient stays hot all the time. And that's going to be a challenge.